Are you still using your mouse for simple tasks on Windows? In this video, I will show you essential Windows keyboard shortcuts that will save you time in 2026. Welcome to KinspireTech, where we fix, learn, and build tech solutions for everyday people. Let's jump straight into the most important Windows keyboard shortcut you should know. So I'll be opening Microsoft Word, and here we'll be practicing some keyboard shortcuts, and the first will be practicing is copy, paste, and move text. So I will be using a shortcut um, to paste some text. So this some text I pasted. So I want to copy some, it takes so much. So let's just use it. So here I want to copy this text and paste it down below. So I'll just select it and press Ctrl T on the keyboard, and I've copied it. So when I go down here, I'll just press Ctrl V and I paste. So that's actually how you copy and paste. Then if you want to copy with a formatting, let's say this has been formatted big and italics, and you want to copy this, paste it. If you copy this, copy, and then if you go down here, watch, you paste it, paste with this format. But we don't want it to paste with this format. What do? We hold Ctrl Shift V. So you see it pastes without this formatting. So you paste it without formatting. And if you want to cut this text out, that means you want to move it to somewhere else, I can say, okay, let me cut this to hold Ctrl X. I've cut it and I'll take it somewhere down here and Ctrl V, paste it. So that is actually how copy, paste, and move text. Then we'll be looking at some other ones. So to select everything on your screen, you just press Ctrl A. Select everything on your screen. It selects everything on your screen. So if you make a mistake, like I've made some adjustment, you can just press Ctrl Z to undo, Ctrl Z to undo. And if you want it back, you can just press Ctrl Y to redo. So these are the shortcuts to select and fix mistakes. Then if you want to open, save, and print faster, what do? To save, you press Ctrl S. To always save your work, Ctrl S. Then when you want to open a file using Ctrl O. It asks you to open a file. Then when you want to print, you need to print, you press Ctrl P and it pops up your print window for you to print. And that's actually for file, open, and print faster. Then if you want to find, refresh, or close apps, what do? So for us to find, you just press searching for text on the page, you just press Ctrl F and you just type the word you want to search for on the page, and you can see search for it over here. Then if you want to refresh your screen, maybe to reload it, you press Ctrl R, so it refreshes your screen, or you can press F5, your keyboard, and it refreshes your screen. And if you want to close this window, shortcut to close a program, an app instantly, you hold alternate F4, and let's do it. Sorry, so alternate F4, and you can see that asks us, do you want to save? We say no, don't save, and the window is closed. So let's open a browser. So if you want to enter full screen mode, what do? You press function key F11 and it enters full screen mode. So if you want to escape something, maybe let's say this pop up and I want to escape this, I just press escape key and it clears out. So these are the essential keyboard shortcut keys for everyone you should know. And in the next video, I will show you Windows shortcut keys. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. This is KinspireTech, where we fix, learn, and build. See you.